Yo, what's up everybody? It's Peace. Welcome to another video. Taking a look at S&P 500 today. In pre-market, this thing crashed all the way down to like $16 red. And there was a slight bounce back all the way up to the like 599.50 level. We went back down, and then now there's just some chop here. Options prices, I took a look at them earlier today. They're extremely expensive. Taking a look at the puts that are just out of the money need 0.22% to break even. Even the ones that are just in the money. Do you see this? The break even price for the 598 puts are 596.36, and it's currently at 597.16. So the implied volatility is insane right now. Like, these things would need to move amazingly in order to break even. So any play today for 0-day to expire options is going to be like very quick, unless there's a huge move. Same thing with calls. You can see that all of these just got destroyed. And the break evens are also insane. 0.28% to break even for the 598 calls, and then for the 597s it would need to go from 597.21 all the way to 598.35. So that's more than $1 before the end of the day that it would need to go up to just break even. So these are dangerous. So let's see if we can get into a play. All right, volume is all over the place. RSI is trending up a little bit, but it could curve down. The MACD bars are converting from red to green. So you could say that this might be bullish. I'm not seeing anything for real in the charts except for like, I think that would be called a bull flag when you have two downward channels where you've got decreasing resistance and decreasing support and like a slight breakout, but it looks like it doesn't even want to break out of that. Obviously you're not going to see everything looking at a flippin' Robinhood chart, which is why people are like, how do you see stuff in the Robinhood chart? I mean, you've got the 10-minute and you've got the 5-minute. Like, what else do you need? So looking at the 10 minutes, volume has been decreasing a little bit from the start and then stabilizing. Was this at open? Yeah, this was at open. And then you see a gap up. That must have been to make the options prices a certain level. But that's fine. Just in the time I've been recording this video, it's dropped like 50 cents. Maybe more. Very interesting. I think we are already in a new channel. So I think this is going to bounce around in this channel and then have a decrease again. I wonder how long I want to record for, because potentially I could make something if this does decrease, but it's going to bounce off of this increasing support. It's just my prediction. So maybe I could just make a quick buck off of some calls because I feel the bounce coming soon. So let me just go in here and see. Oh God, these prices are horrendous. All right, let's try. Oh man, these are really going down. Let's just try buy 4 of these. All right, we'll see if we just lose our account. Oh man. Yeah, here's the downward turn. I'm expecting the bounce to be pretty severe up to the rising support level. So that should be around so 49, and that's 31. So the difference is like 18 cents. So another 18 cents up from 49 is like 57. I'm predicting this goes to 597.57 in the next 5 minutes and then bounces off of that. But that's where we're looking for to get to take our profits. Yeah. So that's about like another 70 cents increase from here. So we should be able to make a really good profit. But like I said, it'll just bounce off that. It won't keep going up. If it does keep going up, then oh well, we just miss out on that money. But that's my prediction for right now. I think this is currently trapped in a in an upwards, what's that called? Is that called a bear flag? I don't know. It's two upward channels, rising support, rising rising resistance. So right now we're just chilling with our little 4%. I still have a little bit of money left over for a trade later on today. 191 bucks. Phew, we could double that. So let's see what's going on with this. The bounce will take a little bit, like, because Rome wasn't built in a day. This channel has taken, so we entered the channel at 1040. It took 10 minutes to reach the top resistance, and then it took another 5 minutes to reach the bottom, and another 10 minutes to reach the top, and then now we're bouncing off something in the middle. So like this could take another like 10 minutes, but we've already passed the 597 mark. So our profit should be pretty good. Okay, yeah, our profit's pretty good. We hit 10%, but now it looks like we're bouncing down. Let me check the volume. We just closed a 5-minute candle and it's low red volume. Oh my God, no, bro, not like this. All right, that's not good at all. I don't like that. And then RSI is dropping as well. Dang it, did we get played? I don't know. I'm going to hold just to see what happens. I still think that we're bouncing in this channel. Although this is a bearish channel that we're dancing in right now, I don't think it's done riding upwards because we literally just entered it. So this was actually a risky play to get into based on what I know. I should have just waited for it to go down, but I don't have time for this. So I wanted to make sure that I had a play for today. I don't want to sell at 5%. Let's get greedy. Looks like we're going to be here for a bit. But that is fine. Yeah, the volatility is just actually insane. Luckily, we caught one of the down wicks that, what's it called? It was going down, and then we caught it on the way up. So we were able to get at least some of this profit. The prices are just so crazy on a day like this where you go down 16 bucks. Like, that's crazy. To 24, and like I predicted, this would be around the 57 mark. Yo, we're getting close. I'm getting spooked. We should be taking profits here. I'm gonna sell 3 of these. Come on, baby, come on. Oh yeah, baby, look at that. So I kept one runner. Let's see what this is at. $96 profit, 29%. All right, I don't think this one is going to be is going to go much higher. 44, like I said, 57 is what I was looking at, and that was just based on what I could see here. You can't even see accurately what's going on. You'd have to look at the candles, and when you look at the candles, these are 10-minute candles. So this peaked at 597.13 and then went up all the way past 79. Yeah, it's really hard to read these charts, and honestly, you sometimes have to like make guesses. But yeah, just this one contract is up 26%. I think it might go back down because we're just trapped in this channel. So I'm just gonna. Do I wait for the last 5-minute candle? Yeah, I'll wait for this 5-minute candle and then I'll make a decision. But either way, I'm probably gonna end the video really soon. 5-minute candle should be closing soon. And then we can see that volume. If we got high green volume, then I'll just hold it. But like if the volume is tapering off, I don't want to bother with it anymore, even though it could still be bullish temporarily. But see, like it's already dropping. I'm losing profits here. All right, 5-minute candle closed. And there's like almost no green volume. All right, I'm done. So, doop. Bye-bye. All right, sick. So how much percent was that? Go over here. That was 14 bucks. So another 12%. And then the other one, our initial position gave us 96 bucks, which was 29%. Dang. So 96 bucks plus 14 bucks, that's $110. So a quick $110 profit in, when did I open this position? 11:09, and it's currently 11:15. So 6 minutes, and I made enough to buy a bunch of sandwiches. So I guess I'm just going to go buy some sandwiches now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more. I post basically every trading day to show my thought process and how you can basically very quickly get in and out of 0 day to expire options contracts. And yeah, I'm on my journey to make $250,000 this year. So hopefully if you guys stay tuned, we can achieve that goal. And yeah, subscribe for more. Bye-bye.